Assembly instruction, F2 plus. Tools included: screwdriver, Phillips and slotted 2-in-1, double open-end wrench, 13 mm, 15 mm, Allen wrench, 5 mm. Tools needed: scissor, bike pump. Let's start assembling your Nakto F2 plus. Step 1. Unpack the e-bike. Pull the frame and all parts, charger, seat, toolkit, keys, nut caps and pedals out of cardboard box. Ensure all the following pieces are included with the Nakto F2 plus. Keep this spare fuse in a safe place. It will be used for the replacement if the original fuse were damaged. Step 2. Install the handlebar. First, loose the 4 screws. Then place the handlebar in between. Make sure it's in the right position. Then we put back the case and tighten the screws. Step 3. Install the LCD display. First, loosen the bolts on the LCD display clamp and remove the spacer. Clamp the LCD display onto the handlebars and align it with the stem. The stem will go in between the 2 LCD display clamps. Step 4. Install the pedals. Locate the pedal with an R or L stamped into the end of the pedal axle, which indicated is the right or left pedal. The right or left pedal goes on the crank on the right or left side of the bike. The right pedal's threaded to tighten by turning clockwise. The left pedal's reverse threaded and tightens counterclockwise. Carefully thread the pedal onto the crank by hand slowly.